Welcome to the story of Zenith Auto, a vehicle born from ambition, innovation, and a bold reimagining of electric mobility. Today, we explore how this groundbreaking SUV represents a turning point for its manufacturer and possibly for the entire premium electric market. Unveiled in Munich ahead of a major international auto show, Zenith Auto arrives carrying expectations shaped by years of research, shifting consumer demands, and intense global competition. More than just a new model, it signals the beginning of a fresh design philosophy and technological era. Drivers everywhere are watching closely, eager to see whether promises become reality today. Zenith Auto emerges during a transformative moment for the automotive industry, when electrification, digitalization, and sustainability are redefining success. Consumers now expect longer range, faster charging, seamless connectivity, and intelligent driver assistance as standard rather than luxury. Manufacturers, meanwhile, face rising pressure from startups and established rivals, especially in markets where local innovation moves at breathtaking speed. Against this backdrop, Zenith Auto was conceived not merely as another electric SUV but as a platform intended to define a new generation. Engineers focused on efficiency, software integration, and design simplicity, aiming to merge emotional appeal with measurable technological progress today worldwide. The reveal took place in Munich, where executives described Zenith Auto as the first step within a broader new class strategy. This initiative aims to reshape future models through dedicated electric architectures, advanced battery chemistry, and scalable digital platforms. Leadership emphasized that the project represents a massive leap, one expected to influence design language, manufacturing efficiency, and customer experience for years. Behind the confident messaging lies an urgent strategic objective: regaining momentum in competitive global markets, including China, where domestic brands have rapidly advanced. Analysts believe this launch could help restore lost market share and strengthen premium electric positioning worldwide. At the heart of Zenith Auto lies a next-generation electric architecture engineered to maximize efficiency without sacrificing driving excitement. The platform integrates lightweight materials, aerodynamic optimization, and advanced thermal management to ensure consistent performance across varying climates. Battery placement lowers the center of gravity, improving stability while also freeing interior space for passengers and cargo. Designers balanced form and function, creating proportions that appear dynamic yet remain practical for everyday usability and long-distance travel. Every line, surface, and contour reflects careful consideration of airflow, aesthetics, and brand identity, demonstrating how engineering and artistry can coexist within modern electric. Range remains one of the most critical factors influencing electric vehicle adoption, and Zenith Auto addresses this with impressive capability. Engineers claim a driving range exceeding 800 kilometers under ideal conditions, positioning the model among the longest-range premium SUVs available. Such figures aim to reduce range anxiety, enabling drivers to undertake extended journeys without constant planning around charging infrastructure. Beyond numbers, the company highlights real-world efficiency improvements achieved through intelligent energy management software and predictive navigation systems. These systems analyze terrain, traffic, and driving style to optimize battery usage, delivering consistent performance regardless of environmental conditions everywhere. Charging speed represents another crucial pillar of Zenith Auto's promise, addressing one of the main barriers preventing wider electric adoption. With the ability to add more than 370 kilometers of range in approximately 10 minutes, long-distance travel becomes significantly more convenient. High-voltage architecture supports rapid energy transfer while maintaining battery health through sophisticated cooling and monitoring technologies. Owners benefit not only from shorter stops but also from greater confidence when planning spontaneous trips or navigating unfamiliar regions. The charging ecosystem integrates seamlessly with navigation systems, automatically suggesting optimal stations based on route conditions and driver preferences. Performance has not been overlooked, as Zenith Auto aims to deliver driving dynamics expected from a premium European-engineered SUV. Instant electric torque provides rapid acceleration, while finely tuned suspension systems maintain comfort during daily commutes and spirited driving alike. Engineers focused on balancing agility with stability, ensuring confident handling whether navigating tight city streets or sweeping highways. Noise insulation and advanced sound design create a serene cabin atmosphere, reinforcing the sense of refinement expected in this segment. Multiple drive modes allow customization of steering response, acceleration sensitivity, and regenerative braking intensity, giving drivers control over efficiency or excitement depending. Inside the cabin, Zenith Auto showcases a digital-first philosophy, merging minimalist design with expansive displays and intuitive controls. A panoramic interface stretches across the dashboard, presenting navigation, entertainment, and vehicle data in a unified visual language. Voice assistance powered by advanced artificial intelligence allows natural conversation, enabling drivers to adjust settings without distraction. Over-the-air software updates promise continuous improvement, adding features and refining performance long after the vehicle leaves the factory. Ambient lighting, premium materials, and customizable digital themes create a personalized environment, transforming each journey into an immersive experience tailored to individual tastes and preferences perfectly. Safety remains central to Zenith Auto's development, with advanced driver assistance systems designed to reduce stress while enhancing situational awareness. Sensors including cameras, radar, and LiDAR continuously monitor surroundings, supporting adaptive cruise control, lane centering, and automated emergency responses. These technologies aim to assist rather than replace drivers, maintaining engagement while offering an additional layer of protection during unpredictable situations. Data processing occurs through powerful onboard computing, enabling rapid decision-making without excessive reliance on remote servers. Regular updates ensure safety systems evolve alongside regulations and emerging threats, reinforcing the manufacturer's commitment to long-term customer trust and responsible innovation. From an environmental perspective, Zenith Auto represents an effort to reduce life cycle emissions through sustainable sourcing, efficient production methods, and recyclability initiatives. Factories involved in manufacturing increasingly rely on renewable energy, minimizing carbon footprints associated with assembly and component fabrication. Battery materials are selected with attention to ethical supply chains, reflecting growing consumer expectations regarding transparency and responsibility. End-of-life recycling strategies aim to recover valuable resources, supporting circular economy principles that reduce waste and environmental impact. Such measures demonstrate how modern automakers balance innovation with accountability, acknowledging that sustainability must extend beyond zero tailpipe emissions to include holistic. Pricing positions Zenith Auto firmly within the premium segment, reflecting its advanced technology, long-range capability, and brand ambitions. With a European launch price around €68,900, the model competes directly with established luxury electric SUVs. Market analysts suggest that strong value perception will depend on charging infrastructure, software reliability, and overall ownership experience. Financing options, subscription services, and connected ecosystem offerings may also influence purchasing decisions as customers evaluate total cost of mobility. Competitive positioning remains critical as rivals introduce increasingly capable alternatives, intensifying pressure on premium brands to justify pricing through tangible innovation. And production of Zenith Auto is scheduled to begin toward the end of the year, signaling confidence in readiness for large-scale manufacturing. Early units will target European markets first, followed by expansion into other regions depending on demand and logistical considerations. Supply chain resilience remains essential, as recent global disruptions have highlighted vulnerabilities affecting semiconductor availability and battery material sourcing. Manufacturers are investing heavily in localized production and strategic partnerships to minimize delays and maintain consistent delivery schedules. Customers awaiting release anticipate streamlined ordering processes, transparent communication, and reliable timelines, reinforcing trust during the transition from announcement to showroom availability. The Chinese market represents a particularly important battleground, where rapid innovation and competitive pricing from domestic brands challenge traditional European manufacturers. Zenith Auto is positioned as a response to these pressures, combining premium heritage with cutting-edge electric technology. Analysts expect that success in China could influence global perception, affecting sales momentum across other regions including Europe and emerging markets. Localized features, digital ecosystems, and partnerships with regional service providers may play crucial roles in attracting discerning customers. Ultimately, performance against agile domestic competitors will determine whether Zenith Auto can regain lost market share and re-establish leadership within the premium. Design language reflects a future-oriented identity, blending clean surfaces with bold proportions that communicate both elegance and technological confidence. Slim lighting elements, sculpted body panels, and aerodynamic wheels contribute to a distinctive silhouette recognizable from a distance. The front fascia emphasizes simplicity, reducing visual clutter while highlighting key functional components essential for cooling and airflow. Color options and material choices allow personalization, enabling owners to express individuality without compromising the cohesive design vision. Every detail aims to balance innovation with timeless appeal, ensuring that Zenith Auto remains visually relevant as trends evolve and the electric landscape continues transforming rapidly. User experience extends beyond driving, encompassing smartphone integration, remote vehicle management, and digital services designed to simplify everyday ownership. Owners can monitor charging status, precondition cabin temperature, and schedule maintenance appointments directly through companion applications. Personal profiles store seating positions, climate preferences, and entertainment settings, automatically adjusting when recognized drivers enter the vehicle. Integration with smart home ecosystems enables seamless transitions between home energy management and vehicle charging routines. As connectivity becomes central to modern mobility, Zenith Auto aims to deliver an ecosystem where hardware, software, and services function together harmoniously, creating a cohesive experience that evolves alongside technological advancements. Driving impressions described by early testers highlight smooth acceleration, precise steering feedback, and balanced ride comfort across diverse road conditions. Low center of gravity enhances cornering stability, while adaptive suspension adjusts damping to maintain composure over uneven surfaces. Regenerative braking transitions feel natural, allowing drivers to adapt quickly whether seeking maximum efficiency or traditional coasting sensations. Cabin quietness remains impressive even at highway speeds, reinforcing the premium positioning and reducing fatigue during extended journeys. Testers note that intuitive interfaces reduce learning curves, enabling drivers to focus on the road while technology operates seamlessly in the background, enhancing safety and enjoyment. Brand leadership views Zenith Auto not only as a product but as a catalyst for broader transformation across design, engineering, and corporate strategy. Lessons learned from this platform will influence future vehicles, accelerating development cycles and encouraging cross-functional collaboration among teams. Executives emphasize that innovation must remain continuous, supported by data-driven decision-making and customer feedback loops. Such transformation requires cultural shifts within organizations, fostering agility, experimentation, and willingness to challenge established assumptions. Zenith Auto therefore symbolizes not just technological progress but organizational evolution, demonstrating how legacy manufacturers adapt to disruptive trends reshaping mobility in the 21st. As Zenith Auto prepares to reach customers, anticipation continues building among enthusiasts, industry observers, and potential buyers eager to experience its promised capabilities. The coming years will reveal whether the model succeeds in reshaping perceptions, reclaiming market share, and setting new standards for premium electric mobility. Regardless of outcome, Zenith Auto demonstrates how ambition, engineering excellence, and strategic vision converge to push the automotive industry toward a more electrified future. For drivers, innovators, and dreamers alike, the journey embodied by Zenith Auto represents progress in motion, inviting everyone to imagine what mobility can become when technology and creativity move forward.